Thousands of years ago, Korg accidentally became separated from his tribe. When he looked around, every member had completely disappeared already. For the first time, Korg found himself completely alone today. At first, the silence felt peaceful, calm, and surprisingly comfortable. Nobody was there anymore telling Korg where he should travel. Nobody could interrupt him or tell him what to do. Korg could explore new places whenever he felt curious enough. He could eat food whenever hunger appeared throughout the day. He could rest anywhere whenever his body became tired. For a short while, freedom felt exciting and absolutely wonderful. Then, something strange slowly started happening inside his mind. Every unfamiliar sound suddenly seemed much louder than before. Small movements in nearby bushes suddenly felt suspicious and dangerous. Korg became nervous even when nothing dangerous appeared around him. His brain stayed alert throughout the day, searching for danger.
The same forest suddenly felt much less safe than before. Even ordinary shadows sometimes looked frightening while he traveled alone. Korg constantly looked behind himself while traveling through unfamiliar places. He struggled to relax, even during peaceful moments of safety. Being alone felt completely different from what Korg expected. Soon, Korg faced another unexpected challenge while surviving completely alone. Hunting large animals became much harder without help from others. Nobody helped Korg track animals across the enormous wilderness. Nobody watched for predators while Korg searched for food alone. Every survival task suddenly required far more effort than before. Korg slowly started missing the people from his former tribe. He missed the protection and support that groups provided daily. Sharing meals no longer felt enjoyable when nobody joined him. He missed hearing familiar voices around campfires every evening.
Eventually, Korg realized humans were never meant to live alone. Wanting answers, Korg began exploring the modern world for clues. He discovered modern cities filled with people almost everywhere. Yet many people still seemed lonely despite crowded surroundings. Some people connected online while remaining physically alone every day. Even crowded places could not completely remove feelings of loneliness. Searching deeper, Korg discovered answers hidden inside the human brain. Scientists learned humans evolved while living together in small tribes. For thousands of generations, survival depended heavily on cooperation together. Being separated from the group often increased danger and risk. The brain eventually learned treating loneliness as a survival warning. Staying connected to others often increased safety throughout human history. Helping one another made survival easier long before modern civilization. Strong friendships help reduce stress and make difficult situations easier. Positive social connections often improve mood and emotional well-being. The brain rewards meaningful relationships because they once improved survival. Modern groups still satisfy ancient social needs hidden inside brains. Sharing experiences with others creates stronger bonds and lasting memories. Challenges often feel smaller when trusted friends stand beside us. Suddenly, Korg understood why friendship feels deeply important to humans. Humans need friends because our brains evolved to survive together.